So my pet has also joined me in relaxing and chilling. We've chosen to switch off the TV and not follow much of social media. And it's a Saturday. I would love to kind of soak up some creative stuff and all that. But I realize that as I come here and I feel peace and I feel and I absorb the sounds of nature, birds, butterflies, flora, greenery, it is amazing here. And I'm sure that, when I go now to probably wherever I work or I go back home or I kind of spend my time in my next destination, it's going to kind of replay in my head, and I'm going to be observing these things wherever I go or wherever I head. So you try this little exercise and experiment. Try spending some time in nature, no sound, no noise, no nothing, and let the voices of nature play. And then do this exercise, go to a mall, and you start taking a look at the stuff around you and all that. And tell me if you notice the creativity in the malls, in the stores, the beautiful work and everything. Your focus is going to shift from a lot of unhealthy and a lot of negative stuff to these positive things. So this is free therapy, this is free thought share here happening. So hope it helps you, hope it works, because people underestimate the power of nature. People underestimate the power of silence, the power of being in the now and stuff. Yes, I may have a lot of thoughts and stuff happening to me, but this is where my brain works the most, because I'm absorbing, and as I absorb, I know for sure I'm going to have a lot of ideas coming to me, a lot of designs happening. Maybe I'm going to deck up my house, my apartment, maybe my office, maybe my next creation, maybe my next video, maybe my clothes are going to be a reflection of what I'm thinking and stuff. Or maybe I'm going to just go to spots where I can enjoy all of this, maybe my next travel destination. So this is how staying close to nature helps you. This is how ikigai happens to you, which is soaking up lots of positivity, and a lot of new stuff happens. Impact, positivity, purpose, vision, ideas, collective work and stuff. So a small tip: spend some time in the neighborhood parks and stuff, and do not underestimate the power of silence and all that. So it's such a beautiful sight here, and I don't think I've seen these kind of birds in a long time. So if you really want to enjoy yourself, switch off your computers, switch off your phones, and switch off the TVs and venture out and spend some time in neighborhood spaces. And of course, you're going to take note of the beautiful new additions to the flora as well. And this way, who knows, inspire you to even have new plantations happening and stuff like that. So inspiration कहीं से भी आ सकती है, creativity कहीं से भी आ सकती है, peace, happiness कहीं से भी आ सकता है. It's just that you have to shift your focus from the regular, from the chaotic, from the bombardment to better stuff. And the choice lies with who? The choice lies with you. So jkapani@gmail.com, jastinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jastinkapani office@gmail.com. Feel free to write to me and reach me out. And if you want to benefit on your health and stuff, carry a pair of shoes in your cars or whatever mode of vehicles you have, and start running and start walking and stuff, and you're going to surely meet new people and make new friends and stuff. So this one with the weather change and stuff is also enjoying and everything. So am I. There he is. His friends are going to join in very soon. So if you've got your friends in the neighborhood waiting for you, what are you doing on social media right now? Pick up the phone, make a plan, and rush out, So love and luck, and take care, and have fun and have a blast. Hakuna Matata. Enjoy. Bye-bye.